Need a healthy snack your kids will actually eat? Let's create something delicious that they'll love. Chickpea patties. Hi everyone. Today I'm excited to share a delightful recipe that's perfect for the whole family. Chickpea patties. They're not just tasty. These patties are also protein-packed and garden fresh, making them an ideal choice for a healthy snack. Plus, they're super fun for little hands to help make. Let's get started. For this yummy recipe, you'll need some canned chickpeas, breadcrumbs, and fresh veggies from your garden, along with a few spices and a drizzle of olive oil. Gather these ingredients and let's whip up something extraordinary. First, drain and rinse your chickpeas. In a mixing bowl, mash them to your desired consistency. Then, mix in your finely chopped veggies, breadcrumbs, and the spices of your choice. Form the mixture into small patties, perfect for tiny hands to shape. Now let's pan fry them until they're golden and crispy. Once they're crispy and golden, serve these delightful patties warm. They're super yummy and perfect for lunch boxes or snack time. Your kids will absolutely love them. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to follow for more garden-to-table recipes with Allie's Leaf Lab. Happy cooking!